Hello there. Now, in case that your phone is stolen or lost, so these are the few things that you should do. And if you have a pen and paper with you right now, please take note from the following steps. And again, guys, please do the steps accordingly. I really suggest that you don't skip one step and jump to the other or something like that. Anyway, first things first, I want you to just breathe, okay? Relax, and I know you're frustrated right now. Your phone is stolen or lost, or you don't know where it is. Just please relax first. Inhale 3 times, exhale 3 times for a few seconds, something like 5 seconds. Just relax, okay? Your phone might just be misplaced on your bag, on your car, on your relative's house, your boyfriend or girlfriend's house, something like that. Try to contact them first, okay? Ask around. Anyway, in case that you're really sure your phone is lost or stolen after asking around on your relatives, here's what we're gonna do. First things first, I want you to open any Safari or browser that you have on your laptop. If you have a spare iPad, that works, or even Android phone works actually. So from there, I want you to open the internet. On my end, it's still Safari, of course. So on here, as you can see here, I have already accessed this one. So this is not the website that we're gonna check. I want you to type in icloud.com/find. So again, it's gonna be icloud.com/find. I want you to type this one and click go. It will redirect you on this platform right here. And it may seem familiar. This app may seem familiar. This logo may seem familiar. You know what it is? It's gonna be this app. It's gonna be Find My app. It's this one. Okay? Now from here, just log in, sign into your iCloud that you use on the phone, because technically we all have one iCloud only in general, okay? So sign in, email address, password, you know the works. Now from here, since I don't have a spare phone or a lost phone, I'm just gonna use this screenshot right here to discuss this platform that you should expect. So once you logged in, you're gonna receive this one right here. This is what you should expect on that platform. For example, you're gonna see on the bottom part whatever devices you have on your iCloud connected. So let's say you're the one that's lost is the iPhone, and you have iPad and MacBook Pro connected. Let's say you're using iPad as of now. So the iPad is over here. This is you. This is your location as of now. And from here, you can see the iPhone. So technically, you have the exact real-time direction of your lost iPhone. You can just go to it. You have an exact direction, and you have the exact estimation of how far it is from you. So that's step one. Moving on. Let's say you found it, right? Now on the bottom part, when you click that iPhone logo, you will have three options here. You have play sound, lost mode, and erase phone. Let's go on them one by one, shall we? Now let's say you went to that iPhone's location earlier, this one. Let's say you went here. From here, this is your exact location, right? Let's say you went here and you're really close, like a few meters away. It will alert you anyway if you're like something like a few meters away. It's this app or this site will alert you if it's near. In that case, if you can still find it even if it's near you, click this option right here. It means play sound. It will directly play a sound or any sound coming from the lost iPhone, so you can hear it and then you can look for it by sound. Okay. Now next option would be lost mode. What is lost mode? Technically, lost mode is just safeguarding or safekeeping every data you have on that lost iPhone. For example, your Apple Pay, your iCloud, your photos, your contacts, your messages, something like that. Click on this one. It will ask you which part to be secured. I suggest secure them all. So whoever stole your iPhone or whoever has your iPhone right now, they won't have access to your private information. So this is lost mode. This is the option that you should click when you lost your iPhone. Now moving on, what is erase iPhone? So technically erase iPhone, it's technically the same as lost mode. The only difference is this will erase all data. This will erase everything you have on that iPhone. It will safeguard. It will not leak all of your information to other strangers. However, it will erase it. You will never get it back. So technically they have the same outcome but a different approach. So this is like a mild approach, this is the extreme one. But again, do not press this one as of now, because we have the next step that is linked on this one, which brings me to the following one. If you lost your iPhone and you're really sure that you lost it, your relative doesn't have it, you're not misplaced it, I want you to report it to your local law enforcement. Once you report it to your local law enforcement, they will ask you for your serial number. Now, where can you find your serial number? It can be found on the back part of your box that came with the iPhone. For example, you lost your iPhone 10. Now, from your iPhone 10, the box that came with it, it should have their serial number. Please give it to the local law enforcement so they can give you a report. Now, what will you do on that report? That brings me to the following step. The following step should consist on opening your Safari again. Now, from here, I want you to find or click this following words: Claim Apple Care Plus. Let's just say you have Apple Care Plus. Not all people have it, but if you have, please listen carefully. Now just click on the first result and sign in here to start your claim. This is the one that I'm talking about that is linked on the erased phone notification earlier, this one. That's why I don't want you to click it right away. Do not click erase iPhone because it is linked on this process. How is it linked? If you erased your iPhone already and you haven't got your claim approved, you will have trouble on getting your new phone from them. Since you have Apple Care, you're gonna get a new phone or you're gonna get a new iPhone, something like that. Anyway, just give them the report that you got from law enforcement, sign in here, and just follow the steps carefully one by one. Do not skip any step. Now, let's just say your claim got approved. Now then, if you're really sure your claim got approved, you can erase your iPhone. In that case, you don't have any data there. The one who has it can use it. They can log in there, something like that. But still, you won't have any information leaked. Okay. Now, moving on to my next step, or last step, should I say. Please, guys, when you're really sure that it's lost, you have your Apple Care Plus approved. You erase the data from the lost phone. You ask your friends and relatives that it's nowhere to be found. If you're really sure that it's lost, please call your contact wireless carrier. Please let them know or file a report that your iPhone is lost or missing, that you don't have it as of now. On our area, it's Globe or Smart, and in your area, I think it's gonna be AT&T or T-Mobile, something like that. Because the reason to this is we don't want having a bill by the next month or the next billing cycle to be that high. There might be a chance whoever took your phone or whoever had your phone as of now, they might call someone, use the cellular data so much, something like that. So please contact your wireless carrier, let them know your phone is missing, give them the report from the local law enforcement as proof your phone is missing, something like that, and make sure it's really cut off on the plan that you have. Okay, so that being said, those are the things that you should do if your iPhone is lost or stolen. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.